Here's the bathroom, and this is like creepy. Then we have the kitchen. This is Michelle's room. This is my room. Oh, and then this is the living room. This is gonna be so creepy.
You should show the tapestry.
Oh, show the tapestry.
Yeah.
Then this is the boudoir area, and then this is our walk-in closet. So you see, and then looks out onto the living room. And then this is the tapestry. You can use it for the summer if you'd like.